Here she is. She's ready for a test.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You also have to look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Okay, so the results are in. So the previous run, which is the line in red, is actually the car standard with a standard exhaust. And we fitted an M2 catback system, and we have made 0 gains because the biggest restriction is the manifold of the cat. So they're coming off next, hopefully. And then at that point, with the manifold and the cat off, with a nice new manifold, maybe a Jap Speed one, and obviously it'll be decatted at that point. Then, because the exhaust will flow better than a standard system, then we will see some gains. So there you go. That is the experiment. It's an honest experiment, and that's what we're doing for you guys. So please let us know what you want us to test on the dyno before and after, and if we can do it on this car, we will. If we can do it on other cars, obviously we'll do that for you. But do me a favour and drop me a like and comment on what exhaust system you're running, and if you've seen some gains, that'd be great. So what brands of exhaust you're using. We've used M2 on this one as a dealer because we sell these. So yeah, so the biggest gains would be the manifold and get rid of that cat. So that's where we're up to. Oh, and if anyone wants to buy a cat, give me a shout. Cheers, guys.